This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 versus the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now they both have Android 8 Oreo. They both have the Snapdragon 845. They both have 6 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, XZ2. Messages. XZ2 again. Camera. Very close on this one. The calculator on both. Woo! So close. So fast too. The clock on both. Ooh! Can't tell. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Play Store on both. XZ2. Go ahead and click on this one. Leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. Ooh, pretty close, but I think that was the XZ2 by just a tiny bit. Go ahead and click on this jacket. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. XZ2. The speed test app. Put both on the same server. Go ahead and start with the S9 Plus first. Check out the scores for yourself. Chrome and the Samsung browser. Go. Go ahead and search for Amazon. Let's go. Go ahead and scroll on both. Give you an idea of the scrolling speeds and the experience. There you go. Nice and fast on both. Go ahead and click on the Amazon full site. And I think the XZ2 was faster there. Yup. Go ahead and click on this item. Looking at the progress bar and the XZ2 finished first, go ahead and pinch to zoom to give you an idea of the fluidity of the browsing experience. Leave it on that page. Oreo run on both. Both are loading right now. And which one's out in front? The S9 Plus taking this one. Tap to begin. Close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Iceland. Both are loading right now. Woo! XZ2 taking this. Tap to play. Close it. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Blazing Sands. Both are loading. Oh! Which one's out in front? We'll find out right now. And the XZ2 taking this one. Tap to play. Close it out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both. Oh, and the S9 Plus is ahead. But will the XZ2 catch up? And the S9 Plus taking this one. Very nice. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Woo! Neck and neck. Which one's gonna be faster? Oh, I think the XZ2 might be a little bit ahead. We'll find out right now. And the XZ2 taking this one, but it's so close. You can call that a tie if you want. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus first. And the S9 Plus a little bit ahead. Close it out. Twitter on both phones. Ooh, pretty identical. And Snapchat. Woo! Now that is a tie, literally, straight up. Take a look at the multitasking of both phones. So you can see everything is in the background. Go ahead and start with Twitter. ready to tweet out. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to go on both. Angry Birds 2, ready to play. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both devices. Subway Surf, this one also ready to resume. Nice. Mario Run, and both are continuing the game. The browsers, still in the same place on Amazon. The speed test app, there you go, same place. Adobe Acrobat, same exact place again. eBay on both. Same place, both had a little stutter on the picture, but still at the same place. Play Store on both, same place again. Clock on both are running the stopwatch, yup, right there. Very nice. The calculator on both, still right there. Are both phones gonna run the table, the camera? Okay, there you go. Messaging, still in RAM. And the phone app, ooh, a little bit of a stutter on the XZ2. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this very close matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9 and S9 Plus, Note 8, or even the S8 and S8 Plus? These phones coming with alien tech such as the infinity displays, etc. Or are you a Sony boy rocking this newly released XZ2 or the Sony Xperia XZ Premium from last year? That phone having a crazy 4K display? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.